Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel and thank you all so very much for coming back for another real life motivational cleaning video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like this video enough to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I am cleaning and revamping our back patio. As you all can see, it is a hot mess from last year, but yeah, enough chit chat. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm doing is just gathering everything that I know I'm not going to use this year and just tossing it.
Crazy, crazy.
I'm moving everything off of the concrete so I can go ahead and sweep, and I do sweep several times simply because we live in the South and there is a lot of pollen everywhere. So I do start off using the push broom, but I do switch over to a regular broom simply because this push broom, you guys, I was struggling with it, but eventually I do switch over to the regular broom. Here I'm just wiping off all of the pollen that has accumulated on the windows.
I wake up on Sunday morning, feel that ache inside my heart.
Now I'm just cleaning everything that I typically use in my garden, including these big buckets that I picked up from Home Depot. I use these buckets instead of flower pots because they cost way less. Now I'm just rinsing everything off, and then I'm going to go ahead and move it into the sun so that it all can dry. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Palmolive on the concrete, and I did Google it, you guys, and it is safe to use outside, but I'm using it because of all of the pollen that has accumulated out here, and I had planned on sitting out here while we had a few days of nice weather. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse off all of the soap.
You always will, you always will. It is just a thrill. Oh, hearts breaking on the dance floor. You better hold on so they don't take you down. Heartbreaker on the dance floor. You better move fast. Don't ever.
I let the patio dry overnight before I set out all of the furniture. I purchased 3 different rugs, a small, medium, and large one, but right here I'm starting with the smallest one but end up going with the medium-sized rug. All of the patio furniture is from Walmart and the grill is from Lowe's. Right here I'm just spraying some of this backyard bug control by Cutter.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that.
Now I'm just filling up all of the tiki torches.
To remind me feeling just fine, one of a kind. Who better than I? Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate.
And here are the end results. If you guys enjoyed this transformation, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more motivational cleaning videos. But I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.
Got to do. I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the party way, about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate.